Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. If you ever wanted to make your own beautifully fitting Indian style flare dress without spending thousands at a boutique, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you how to sew a designer style Kali flare dress right at home using our ready to use PDF pattern. No need to draft anything from scratch, just print, cut and sew. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, anyone who's tired of bad tailor fittings, or if you simply want to create your own stylish wardrobe at an affordable price. Let's get started. Let's now talk about how to assemble the pattern after printing. The A4 pattern pages you receive should be arranged like this. All the A pages in one horizontal line like A1, A2, A3 and so on. Below that place the B, then C, then D depending on how many alphabets are included in your pattern. Next, trim the left border of pages like A2 and match the star symbols to align and attach them correctly, just like shown in the video. Once the full A line is ready, you will connect it with the B by matching the rectangle alignment guides accurately. By following this method, you will assemble a full-size pattern sheet. Now, simply cut along the lines and your sewing pattern is ready to use. Now let's move on to the fabric cutting. The amount and type of fabric you will need is clearly mentioned in the PDF pattern file that comes with your purchase. We will start by cutting the Kalis panels. You will need 16 Kalis in total, 8 for the front and 8 for the back. And yes, you will be using an inverted layout method to reduce fabric waste and cut efficiently. If you are from India or speak Hindi, you can check out our Hindi tutorial. The link is given down below. Now let's cut the back bodice. If you want to attach a zipper, then cut it as it is without any fold. If not, fold the center of the pattern by half an inch and then cut. I am making this version without a zipper, so I am folding the center by half an inch to make it easier, especially for beginners. We will make a separate tutorial later for the version with a zipper. Cut the back bodice on double folded fabric. For all the pattern pieces, I am using lining, so make sure to cut both the main fabric and lining equally. Here I am using silk fabric, so I do need lining, but if your fabric is thick or doesn't require lining, then you can skip it. Now cut the front bodice with lining, trace the darts and then cut the sleeves, and we will move on to stitching. Let's begin the stitching process. First, we will start by stitching the Kalis panel. Place the lining first, then the main fabric Kali, and on top of that place another main fabric Kali with right sides facing each other. Finally, place another lining piece on top. Now stitch through all these layers. Repeat the process to stitch a total of 8 Kalis for the front and 8 for the back. After stitching all the Kalis together, trim the bottom edge of the skirt to even out any uneven layers and make it neat. Next, take the front bodice lining, place the main fabric on top and stitch the darts. To stitch the darts, fold along the center line and stitch on the slanted dart lines like this. Neck finishing. Cut the neckline pattern on canvas interfacing. Stick the canvas to the fabric. Do this for both the front and back necklines. Cut the neckline shape to shape from the top and from the bottom. Leave a 0.75-inch seam allowance and cut. Now, stitch the bottom edge of this neck facing. Then place it on the bodice and stitch it at a half-inch seam allowance. Turn the facing to the wrong side and do a neat edge top stitch. Repeat the same steps for the back bodice. Now join the shoulders of the front and back bodice pieces together. Fold the sleeves hem by half an inch, then again by 0.75 inch and stitch it. Then attach the sleeves to the bodice. Attach the skirt and stitch the sides. Now attach the skirt to the bodice. Then stitch the side seams using a 0.5 to 0.75 inch margin. The PDF pattern link is given at the description, so do check out. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to contact us or send us an email. We are giving away this pattern to one lucky winner for free. Just comment PDF pattern below to enter. The winner will be randomly selected and announced in the next video. If you watched till here, please like this video and try making the dress. Also share it with your creative friends who love to make and wear something unique and handmade. Thank you for watching.
छोड़ छाड़ कर आया जमाना दिल में तेरे रहना छोड़ छाड़ कर आया जमाना दिल में तेरे रहना तोड़ तोड़ के रख दूंगी दिल फिर ना मुझसे कहना तेरी मिठियां गल्ला दे बारी जावा तू कसम उठा ले